Hey guys and gals, I'm just doing a quick how I do it video. Working on my Mustangs, my 94 and my 2012. This is, I think, the third hood I've done. This is the second Amera hood. The first one was a Cervini. And so just for you do-it-yourselfers that have never done a fiberglass hood, because they're fiberglass, the way they're made, the molds are usually fiberglass. This is fiberglass itself, and it dries kind of funky. Depends on the thickness and how it was mixed, and if it was all mixed at one time. So as you can see, I put my reveal coat of primer on it, and I'm sanding with a large block. Get as large block as you can. 12 inch. I have a hand size one, and I have a thin one about 3 inches, and take very long strokes and go in a crisscross when you can, or if you can go straight, you do a straight run here. But as you can see how mottled this surface is. Hi doggy bark, barky dog, whatever. If you take a look, it's mottled really bad. I'm about 80% done. All the small areas I still have to do. But you can see all of this, most of this gray will be gone. The white is the gel coat. It'll be gone. All this gray is low spots. Now they're not really very low at all, but they're low enough to when you get your gloss coat on and your paint, you're going to see it. It's going to be, if you've seen fiberglass, it's kind of wavy. So to get rid of most of that, what I'll do is I do a primer coat. I call it a reveal coat. Now, if you've never done it before, you can do whatever color primer coat you want, and then just do just a light spray coating of another color, the red or whatever you want, the rust red, whatever on top, just a very, very light coat. So that's when you're sanding, you will be able to see when everything is even, because then the red will be gone and everything's flat. I've done a few of these hoods, so I can do it by feel. I can see where there's a high spot or not. So, but that's just kind of how I do it. I'm sure if you're going for a show car, let the professionals do it. But if you're a do-it-yourselfer like me, you like to do it yourself. So this might help with a lot better finish when it gets painted. So that's just kind of let you know how to do these guys. If you don't do it this way, like I said, it's going to be kind of mottled in the shine coat. So that's about it for this. Like I said, I'm 80% done. So there'll be a lot less gray on here when I am finished. But so I hope this helps somebody who's trying to do it yourself on a hood or any large surface. The main thing is longest sanding block as you can get, big as a sheet of sandpaper or larger. Long strokes, big block, small block, and you should be good to go. It'll look nice.